how to take a portrait picture on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, you want to swipe across and select portrait. Next, point the camera at the subject. Now, depending on what type of pictures you're trying to capture, you may need to move closer or further away from the subject. Here, I will point at this. You can also use the zoom feature as well to zoom in or zoom out on the subject and then point at the subject. Now, at the bottom corner here, you can tap on that to open up your effect screen. From here, you can choose a blur effect, and then you can change the effect strength. So that is how much blur on the background that you want it. So here I can increase the maximum strength, which means it will cause a lot of increase a lot of blur strength on the background. Here, if you at the top, you can swipe over to select a studio effect, high key mono, low key mono, backdrop, or simply color point. So here I can choose a backdrop and then tap on the shoot button to take the shot. And here we got color point. So tap on that. So here for color points, you can also change the effect strength as well. Now you can swipe through to have a look at the picture. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.